Hi, John Wales here, and instead of going around beaches and all that rubbish I normally do, or going around shops, today I'm going to go painting the frame in the mirror that we've just shown you in the background. I'll try and run you through what it comes out like. Crap or good, who knows? Let's go for it. Small amount of extremely fine sandpaper. As I said, small amount of that sandpaper, and as you can see, it's really quick going over. And like in all good DIY shows, just fold it over, get it in there, little cracks. Just give it a very small amount of roughing out. Wet kitchen towel, I'm just going to wipe it down. No. Good, bad, right or wrong, doesn't matter. It's my mirror, I'm doing it the way I want to do it. The next bit now is to do some masking up. So I'll start doing that. And the very first thing I need to start masking up with, besides tape, are some glasses, because I'm practically blind as a bat these days. Let's get into that. Yeah, I'm using some paper really thin, and I'm very fortunate that it's sliding underneath the frame of the mirror, between that and the glass. I'm hoping this will avoid me getting any paint on the glass, which is the right pain to get off.
Okay, well, we're going to charge for the minimum.
So all the masking done. Now some paint. Well, I'm about halfway through my first coat. I'm not sure how good it's going to be. I don't know. And look, when this dries out, it should dry pretty fast. Within about an hour, I'll straight away put a second coat on. And I hope the end result will be nice. If it isn't nice, we'll have to IKEA to go and buy a new mirror. Well, that's the first coat done. Then we'll go in a cup of coffee, piece of cake, and come back with another go. See what it looks like the second go. Yeah, sounds like an idea. Well, I'm almost through the last, or the second coat, and this thing is starting to look pretty good. Not bad, not bad. So we kept all the paint on the wood and off the mirror. Impressed myself, because I'm crap at painting. Cool. And that's the finished job. It looks pretty good. In fact, it looks so good I could even sell that for at least 5 pence. Well, I impressed myself this time. I like to finish with it. So until my next fantastic DIY project, I'm going to go get another cup of coffee.